Hi guys, welcome back to Crave for Insights. If you want to know how to add or delete the video and audio timelines in Kdenlive apart from the 4 timelines that are already there by default, please keep watching. I'll show you 2 ways of doing it. First, click on Settings,
Click on Configure Kdenlive.
then click on Project Defaults. Here you can see video tracks are 2 and audio tracks also 2. I'll change this to 4. Then click on Apply and OK. But the video and audio timelines are still 2 here. This is because the settings which you change right now will apply only if you close and reopen Kdenlive, since that is when a new project will be created. Or you can click on File and then click on New. You can see project settings pop up in which our changes are reflected. Now if you click on OK, you can see that there are 4 videos and 4 audio timelines now. That was one way of doing it. If you want to save some time for yourself, then there is another shortcut to do this without needing to create a new project. Just right click here and then click on Insert Track. You will get the Add Track pop-up. Select the number of tracks you want to add. If you're adding only one track, you can add the name of the track. And if you add more than one track, observe here that the cursor disappears, indicating that you cannot add a name to multiple tracks at the same time. Click on OK and your track will immediately reflect here. If you want to delete it, just right click and click on Delete Track. Select the track you want to delete and click OK. It's not really necessary to add a track name. I never add a track name. I just find it easier to identify the tracks by these names like V3, V2, A1, A2 itself. That's it for this video. I will be uploading another video showing you a couple of other things that you can add to your timeline. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more such videos, hit the subscribe button. That way you will get a notification anytime new content like this comes out. Any other topics or videos you want to see me create in future, leave a comment down below. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe.